guys, November 9, 2022. This one I gotta do an annual burner service on one I do every year for a lady. It's an NTI boiler, and she's got 2 oil tanks, older tanks, and double filters. This used to be guy I went to plumbing school with back in the day was used to stay over here until we got divorced, and then now I used to service it for him too, but then they got divorced and now I work for her. I've had a problem with it a couple of years ago. I had a problem getting the pot for that thing. She was without heat for like 7 days. Flipping nuts. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and check the filters, make sure that the filters are clean. They got this biodiesel shit that's been going around, so I don't know. We'll check the filters. It's got a tiger loop on it. Don't have to worry about bleeding. It's self-bleeding. Over there, we'll check the filters. We'll change the nozzle and get it up and running. It's been running fine. It's just like an annual, you know. Miss Molly. Oh yeah, you love working, Miss Molly. You love going to work. I put on your sweater this morning. Yeah, I know it can. Get a little nipply out there this morning, Miss Molly. Yeah. Anyway, I'll try to get you some shots if I can. I haven't did videos in like 5 days. Been busy working on the yard. Yeah, it's been here about a year ago. No filterette tank. No nozzle. Clean burner. Clean burner had no smoke. I'll shut it off. We're gonna check the filters. I'm gonna check the filters at the tank. There's a dead mouse there. Got a baby. Got a baby here and a mama. Oh man. Not good. Good oil there. Last year the tanks weren't equalizing, but they seem to be now. 3/4 there, 3/4 here. We're gonna check it and make sure that we get a flow out of both tanks. I did take this apart. The filter looks fine. See the filter? Nothing wrong with that. It's like brand new. And I'm getting flow out of both sides. I did check it. The camera wasn't on for some reason. I'll do it again. I'm getting oil coming out that side. I got oil coming out that side, so we're good. This is what they call an equalizer line here between the 2 tanks. So if you fill one tank, you'll equalize through the other tank. And if these lines get blocked, you'll be feeding off one tank and the other tank, and it won't equalize. Nothing wrong with that filter, so we'll leave it. We'll bleed it out the top there. We'll bleed it out the top. Like I said, the tiger loop's self-bleeding anyway. Old Baki's upstairs not too happy with me. That's what they call firematic valves here. Like I said, it's a tiger loop. It's self-bleeding anyway. Baki. Here it comes. Here comes the oil. Like I said, it's so bleeding anyway. There's a tiger loop. she didn't get any of the biodiesel yet. It's on its way. Flipping dum-dums, changing shit around. Alright, so this is what they call an equalizer line between the two tanks. You fill one tank and it'll equalize. So Riello BF5. I don't think the bottom screws hold. So. I've had mice in here in the past. I got the power off, but you can see where they chewed all the wires. They used to come down a vent from outside, and I put a screen there to stop that. So I think it's been working. It has been working. This is an old style one. It's got the Phillips. This is an old style Reassembling. It's got the Phillips. Some of the new ones I got like a hex head on it. I've been coming here every year for a long time. A lot of years I've been coming here. I come here every year. Service this burner. I think I've changed the pump in the motor on this thing over the years. We added a tiger loop to it because of the overhead line, and it was a problem pulling oil. So we added a tiger loop, and that seemed to solve the problems. This is the one that needed that operating control when a guy from the supply house was jerking me around for fucking weeks. 7 days or some crazy shit. Ordered the wrong fucking part for me. Dum-dum. Alright, then on the Reassembling, there's a little screw on the side here, a little Phillips. Just take that, loosen that screw up. With a couple of screws loose now. Loosen up that screw right there. The whole assembly will pull right out. You can get to the nozzle. This is a little crusty. It comes right out, see? You can work on the nozzle. A little bit of carbon, it ain't nothing. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Little carb cleaner does wonders. Little carb cleaner, mama. A little bit of carb cleaner in there and clean it up. Hey, the crusty one. I always change a nozzle. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. It's 3/4 and 5/8. Get the nozzle off. Let's see how it's nice and clean there. That was black. Then we know there's a problem with the filters. That's 60 degree, a little 75, 60. That's what a real takes, a 60 degree nozzle. Throw one of them in there. Old Barky. Gotta make sure these nozzles are tight. It's usually a homeowner thing. If the nozzles aren't tight, the homeowner works on it, leaves the nozzles loose. Have that. I've seen that a bunch of times. Get this back together. Like I said, we gotta just tighten up that set screw. And it goes right in that little hole. That's it. A little carb cleaner cleans it right up nicely. Get the unit back in there. Old Barky. This is metric. This thing goes in. See the carousel here is nice and clean. This goes in like this. It pushes right in. You can set the screw, but I usually don't. Alright, we could probably turn the power on and jump out a couple of thermostats and it'll run. Jump out a couple of thermostats over here and get it to run. Right now it's off on limit, I think, but we jumped out a couple of thermostats. Get it to run. See if it fires. Direct vent right off the side of the house. We can go see if it's smoky coming out there. It's running nice and clean. I put the screen on the bottom there to keep the mice out. I'm very familiar with this unit. I'm always been taking care of it for years, so been running clean, lean and clean, so It's already set up. I don't play around with it. If it's running good, I change the nozzle and change the filters and let it ride. This bottom one just didn't even work. Get a difference when you close the door? Problem is the bottom ones are stripped. It's a lot quieter. Alright, so I cleaned the burner head, new nozzle, oil tank's good to flow, zero smoke, all ready to go. Ready to go for another year. Kind of weird the way he did the tanks hanging off the side like that, but that's the way they are. Let it ride, Mama. Let it ride.